Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a animation. Use this Vidu AI. So all you have to do now, you can open Vidu.studio. Don't forget to sign in first. You have to create new account in order to create video. So here we go. You can there is three options. You can create a video from image. You can drag an image here to select an image to upload, and also references to video. You can drag an image here to become references, or text to video. So you can enter text, start making video. If you're confused, you can try to use inspire me, like two people raise their teacup and tag a sips. So you can try to use this inspiration, or you can a enhance prompt. You can try to check this enhance prompt, and you can add animation of two people. So there's 4 credits. I do have 80 credits because this is the free one. So here we go. You have to wait for a moment in queue creating. Wait for a second. Here we go. So it's not still the real like real human. So let's try to change into animations of martial artists fighting each other, and then let's create. Wait the process here, and here we go. This is the animation of martial artists fighting each other. So you can create your animation of your version in this video AI Studio. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.